Dear students, last time you have studied chapter number 2. We have studied classification of Whittaker. Whittaker classified living kingdom into 5 groups: Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and Animalia. Among these, you have studied 3 kingdoms in previous chapter. This chapter, we begin with the kingdom Plantae, which is divided into algae, bryophyta, Pteridophyta, gymnosperm, and angiosperm. The blue-green algae, which was considered among the algae in earlier classification, now it is replaced to Monera because it has primitive nucleus like bacteria. It is prokaryotic. So, in new classification, Cyanophyceae or blue-green algae is not classified among the algae, but it is kept separately in kingdom Monera. Earliest classification was based on some external character. Earliest classification was divided into 3 categories: artificial first, second is natural, and third is phylogenetic. Artificial system was based mainly on gross morphological characters. Here, the habit, the structure of leaves, and other external character were considered. Along with this, stamen, its type and structure were also considered. In artificial system, equal consideration was given to vegetative as well as sexual characters. But vegetative characters are highly influenced by environmental factor. So, this system was not accepted by many scientists. Second system of classification is natural. Here, natural affinities among the organism were considered. In natural system, not only external characteristics but internal characteristics were also considered, like gross structure, embryology, and phytochemistry. So, in natural system, not only external but internal character were also considered. This system was proposed by 2 scientists, Bentham and Hooker. Third earliest classification is phylogenetic. Phylogenetic means based on evolutionary trend. According to this system, organism belonging to same taxa has more or less common ancestor. This phylogenetic system is incomplete if other aspects are not considered, like numerical taxonomy, which now easily carried out with the help a computer. Here, number and code are assigned to all characteristics. Data are then processed. In this way, each character is given equal importance, and at the same time hundreds of characters can be considered. Cytotaxonomy. It is based on cytological information like chromosome number, structure and behavior of chromosome. Third is chemotaxonomy, where chemical constituent of plant are considered. So nowadays we cannot study biology separately. It is mixed with other sciences also, like numerical taxonomy based on computer, cytotaxonomy based on cytological information, and chemotaxonomy based on chemical constituent. Now we begin with classification of plantae. First group is algae. This algae is a unique group of simple thalloid. Thalloid means undifferentiated body where root, stem and leaf-like structure are not observed. In primitive plant, the plant body had no structure like root, stem and leaf. That is called thalloid. Autotrophic, they can prepare their own food. And aquatic. So algae is simple, thalloid, autotrophic and aquatic. They occur in variety of habitat like moist stone, soil and wood. The form and size of algae is variable. Some algae is unicellular like Chlamydomonas. In your textbook, page number 31, second diagram shows Chlamydomonas. It is unicellular algae having two flagella, nucleus and pyrenoid. So unicellular algae is the Chlamydomonas. Volvox, first diagram. It is an algae which has colonial aggregation, means many cells live together in a group. It is called colony. Then filamentous like Ulothrix and Spirogyra. So algae exhibit different form. May be unicellular, it may be colonial, may be filamentous. Some algae like kelp show massive plant bodies. The reproduction in algae is by three methods. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Then asexual reproduction by formation of zoospore, and the asexual reproduction by zoospore, and sexual reproduction may be by similar gamete called isogamete or dissimilar gamete, one big, one small, is called an isogamous. It is also called oogamous. So three types of reproduction are found in algae: vegetative, asexual, and sexual reproduction. Now, algae is useful in many ways. At least half of the total carbon dioxide is fixed by algae, and our food, which gives us energy, is the product of photosynthesis performed by algae. They are very much importance for us because they are the producer of energy rich compound. Which is the energy rich compound? Glucose, which is the end product of photosynthesis. Many species of Porphyria, Laminaria, and Sargassum are among the 70 species of marine algae used as food. Certain marine brown and red algae produce large number of hydrocolloid, means water holding capacity. Algin, brown algae, and carrageen, red algae, which are used commercially. Agar is a commercial product. It is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. It is used for culture of microorganisms. Chlorella and spirulina are unicellular algae. They are rich in protein and used as food supplement for space travelers. So, algae is economically important. This algae divided into three groups: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and Rhodophyceae. Algae divided into three groups: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae, name itself shows it is green algae. This green algae show variety of chloroplast, the photosynthetic pigment, discoid, disc-like, plated, plate-like, reticulate, network-like, cup-shaped, and spiral or ribbon-like. So these are different shape of chloroplast in Chlorophyceae: discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, and spiral. Chlorophyceae have reserve food material in the form of starch and pyrenoid. Algae may store oil droplet. Green algae have rigid cell wall made up of cellulose that form the inner layer, and pectose form the outer layer. Reproduction in Chlorophyceae take place by three methods: vegetative by fragmentation, asexual by zoospore, motile structure, sexual by isogametes, anisogametes, or oogamous. Example of algae is Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulothrix, Spirogyra, and Kyra. Page number 31 has all these diagrams. Just you go through the diagram and draw the diagram three times. Second group is Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae means brown algae. This brown algae shows primarily marine habitat. They show great variation in size and form. They range from simple branched to filamentous form like Ectocarpus and profusely branched like kelp. It may have a height of 300 meters. They possess chlorophyll A and C, carotenoid and xanthophyll. All these are pigments of green, yellow and orange color. They vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown color depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigment fucoxanthin present in them. Food is stored in the form of complex carbohydrate which may be in the form of laminarin or mannitol. Complex carbohydrate means simple carbohydrate is glucose. When many molecules of glucose join together, complex carbohydrate is formed. Example is laminarin and mannitol. The vegetative cell have a cell wall made up of cellulose covered by outer gelatinous coating called algin. Protoplast contain plastic and centrally located vacuole and nucleus. Plant body is attached to the substratum by holdfast. In future, holdfast would form the root system, stipe stem-like structure and frond leaf-like structure. So algae being the primitive group has structure like root, stem and leaf, but they are not true root, stem and leaf. Reproduction takes place by three methods: vegetative fragmentation, asexual by biflagellated spores. These flagella may be attached laterally, and sexual reproduction isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. Third group of algae is Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae means red algae. Here the pigment or phycoerythrin is present in their body. Majority of red algae is found in greater concentration in warmer areas. They occur both in well-lighted places as well as in the place where light cannot penetrate. The red thallus of algae is multicellular. Some of them have complex organization. Food is stored as fluoridin starch, which is very similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Amylopectin and glycogen are complex carbohydrate. Now a table is given, which shows the common characteristics of the three algae. Chlorophyceae, common name is green algae. Major pigment is chlorophyll A and B. Food stored in the form of starch. Cell wall made up of cellulose. The number of flagella is 2 to 8 and they are inserted attached apical means upper part of the cell. Habitat fresh water, brackish salt water. Second is Phaeophyceae, brown algae. Pigment is chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. Stored food is mannitol and laminarin. Cell wall, cellulose and algin. Flagella, 2, unequal, inserted laterally. Habitat, fresh water, brackish water and salt water. Rhodophyceae, red algae, chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. Stored food is Floridian starch. Cell wall, cellulose, pectin and polysulfate esters. Flagella are absent and habitat fresh water, brackish water and salt water. So this is about the three subgroup of algae. First is Chlorophyceae, green algae. Second is Phaeophyceae, brown algae. And third is Rhodophyceae or red algae. Learn this chart also.